我憧憬着到2050年，祖国成为富强、民主、文明、和谐、美丽的社会主义现代化强国之时，我带着儿孙重新踏上这片热土。我相信到时候的和田要比现在美得更美。
Jing Jianglong is an environmental researcher at the Beijing Municipal Institute of Eco-Environmental Protection. In 2017, he came to Xinjiang to serve as the chief engineer of the Hotan Environmental Protection Bureau. Given the vast and sparsely populated Daliyabuyi and a shortage of law enforcement personnel, he began developing a set of satellite remote sensing systems for ecological environment and implementing drones to capture images of key areas. This system is not only essential for ecological supervision in the Hotan area but can also provide technical support for the management and planning of the city, mineral and farmland. Even though his support mission in Xinjiang has ended, Jing often drives back to Hotan to improve this monitoring system. Jeeps often break down when shuttling through the desert, and without the support of a convoy, any emergency would leave them stranded. This further emphasizes the importance of this satellite remote sensing system. As this system continues to be refined, it will ensure the successful development of a beautiful Hotan.